I'm David Birdsell, Dean of the Baruch College School of Public Affairs and co-chair of the NASPA Data Committee. I'm here to talk about an exciting new collaboration between NASPA and APAM, the Public Affairs Education Data Center. The Public Affairs Education Data Center will collect institutional information about all of our schools and programs offering the MPA and the MPP degree. We're going to be able, for the first time, to be able to have a comprehensive picture of student enrollment across the spectrum of public affairs education. We'll be able to talk about staffing ratios. We'll be able to talk about expenditures. We'll be able to do a number of the things that we haven't been able to do with hard data extending across institutions for all of the constituencies that rely on us for these kinds of data, whether it be students looking to study in our programs, alumni trying to better understand where to make recommendations themselves, or senior administrators and boards of trustees who are keenly interested in our performance. This is not going to be a process that's terribly burdensome for participating institutions. My institution was one of the pilot data testers, and we found that this was actually a fairly easy system to navigate. Together with 13 other programs, which did the same thing at the same time, we provided feedback for the programmers on the NASPA side, and they and the consultants working on the project have made it an even easier system in the intervening weeks. So we have every confidence that this will be something that all member institutions will find easier to do. It's also the case that for those of you who are both NASPA and APAM members, this will actually reduce your reporting burdens, because you'll no longer have to submit separate data reports to NASPA and then again to APAM. You'll just have to submit once, and both organizations will accept the result. But none of this can happen without full participation by all members of NASPA and APAM, and this is critical. If we can get your help getting these data systems populated by the 15th of September 2012, then we'll all be able to go to the NASPA conference in October with the best picture of what public affairs education looks like that we have ever had. I want to thank you in advance for your help with that effort, and I look forward to meeting you in Austin with the opportunity to talk about a field that we understand as we never have before. Thank you.